little room tour. Got that young skateboard. Shout out to the fam and friends for the board. Got this fish surfboard that Adam's letting me use. Shout out to Adam, the boy Adam. Little fish board. Got the golf clubs on deck. Tailor made. You know what it is, we tailor made. Got that surfboard ready. Snowboard ready. Boneless. Took it out a couple times this season. Sponsored Wavestorm. Desk. Got that wetsuit ready for the water. That Wavestone board, 8-footer, ready for all waves. Behind it we got this board made for big waves, as I learned as I bought it. Really thick, single fin, fish type, swallowtail, whatever you want to call it. And